What are some big key lessons that you've been able to learn for yourself as an owner of a marketing agency? What are some of the rules that you follow in order to keep things in order and to make sure that you aren't bending over backwards to make everything work, but you're continuing to follow through with your idea of calm marketing and making sure that things are implemented and they're stable and it's like solid.
That's a super uncomfortable question for you to ask.
I'm here to ask uncomfortable questions.
Right. Partially because it feels like you're on a balance beam, but
Mm-hmm.
as a business owner, and I'm guessing other business owners will know what I'm feeling. It's like you have 25 balance beams that you're having to not to do too much this way, not to like your leadership with your own team, how much value you give to clients, whereas how much you're letting them walk all over you, how much strategy you do versus how much you work on the business, right? In the business and support your team. There's just all these like, you're trying to at all times somehow stay at the right level of each. And so I think trying to learn to not all people should be business owners. I think that's one of the things I've learned.
Mm.
Some people, and I might be in one of those categories, that is just better in a certain kind of a work or thrive better without trying to manage all of that at once. And that's not a bad thing. I just think it's something that if you're looking into freelancing or scaling up a team and things, it's good to be honest with yourself. Am I okay with trying to go on this journey where I'm going to have to be juggling all these different things?
Yeah.
And as soon as you are out of whack on one of them, people are going to call you out for it. Your family, your employees, your clients, the public. So I think being okay with trying to navigate that is a big part, a lesson I've learned about having my own company,
Mm.
taxes, employees, clients, marketing. A little bit more to your question, though, I think I spent a lot of time last year working with a team to build up approaches to projects and what a client should expect from us, right? So the client should expect that we'll be proactive in scheduling our check-ins and that they're actually proactive meetings and we're not prepared. And we have to build that into our schedule. And we're still not perfect with it because every day is a new day.
Yeah.
Things come up, but it was like we have to build in some principles by which we do our work that we feel like allow us to do work well.
Yeah.
That could be a whole hour-long conversation, though.